Hi, Shishir. This is Prasad over here.
Hi, Prasad.
Shishir, I have two questions. First is what is the approach of venture capital and the angel capital towards the traditional business, that is a dealership or agro farming? And second is I want to start my own company or a startup. And I went through all your YouTube videos, but I did not find any startup that is linked to hydroponics. So if you can give me a consultation and help me set up a hydroponic business, is it possible?
Yeah. See, first of all, let me tell you about VCs and angels both. Any investor per se would be looking to invest in a company that can become a unicorn, right? Now you need to understand what is a unicorn. You might be knowing it, but let me explain for others. Unicorn is the status when your valuation reaches $1 billion. Okay. Now this $1 billion, if you convert that in Indian rupees, will be approximately 7,500 crores. Okay. Now for 7,500 crores of valuation, if you go by the highest multiple of revenues, if you divide the stock market, valuation, the total market capitalization of good companies by the number of shares they have, right? Or the revenue ratio, if you find out, so you'll get a multiple, right? This multiple is generally between 7 to 9 or 10. Okay. Let us be very, very, very aggressive or very hopeful. So if I take a 10 multiple, so that means if your revenue is 750 crore, then you will reach the valuation of 7,500 crores, right? I'm taking the highest. So that says in 5 years, if your company can reach the revenue of 750 crores, then angel investors are happy to put in funds, because anything lesser than that is not a deal. Because investments, they expect a return of 11 to 16 times. These are the global expectations, right? Average I'm talking about. Expectations, not the actual they receive, but they expect. So if they are expecting 11 to 60 times of their investments ROI, that means the startup has to be highly scalable and the market should be really big. Now, if you talk about a dealership, the model itself says it is local. Any kind of dealership you tell me, right, cannot become that big because it is dealership. The model itself is about the micromanagement. It's not about the macroeconomics. It's not about nations. You might become a dealer for a nation as well, but that moment the sale will be less because companies create such strategies accordingly. You getting my point? If there is more sale, they will create more dealers. Like for Hyundai, you will find every city they have a dealer, even the smaller cities, right? But for companies like Ingersoll Rand, you might find very less number of dealers. For North India, they might have only one dealer because they don't have sales accordingly. You getting my point? So dealership model itself says that I want to be small. I cannot become big, right? Don't get me wrong, but this is how it depicts. So nobody should be happy to invest in a dealership because 2 points are challenging. Point number 1, it is small. Point number 2, entrepreneurs don't know. So I'm not a company for investment purpose, right? Why you become a dealer is you utilize somebody's brand, you utilize somebody's customer base, and then it's easy plug and play. For long run, as a independent setup, it's not the right way to go about it. Okay.
And coming to the second question, for the hydroponics, I went through all those videos.
So those videos that are available are the interviews of the founders who have participated in our sessions, who wanted to get themselves interviewed, and everybody is most welcome, right, to let us know. Our team can do it. We this is a help that is there from our side, so that all the founders can be heard, because media celebrates only the success, but StartupLanes celebrates everybody, right? So that is the difference. So it's not about, but if you want to get into hydroponics business, there are many consultancy companies who will provide you the consultancy of where to get the material from, where do you get the equipment from, and obviously you need to have your place. There are consultants who can provide you the place as well. Buyer you need to find yourself, but obviously there are certain consultants who can help you get the Horeca buyer also.
Okay.
And if you want, you can give this requirement to your community managers if you are part of a community in StartupLanes. If not, then please join the WhatsApp group. Go to StartupLanes website, go to join, and you will find out SL WhatsApp group. Join that group and ask the community manager to rotate this requirement in SL. It is free of cost. We will give you a lot of people who are interested in providing you this technology and know-how and consultancy. All right.
Thank you.